lay. Even when I eat my food like here. But obviously I couldn't do that before. And you guys would still watch me. You know when someone gets in your business and there's that meme that says, Ngenapi. I always think of that. It's like, Ngenapi. Like, where do you come from asking me such things? Huh? Where do you come from? Like, you just came here and you decided to ask me questions. You don't even ask those questions to your friends at school. But anyway, I might still answer because I'm weird like that. I might still answer. Pin. If I get kicked out of Instagram, that means it's my cue to leave. I'm not pinning anything. So I'm saying, before I end the conversation abruptly, I'm going to say, goodbye, guys. See you again another time. Yeah. And then it changes the whole motive. I break out in song. Also, like, like imagine if something serious is going on and you just need a breather and you're like, let's break out in song. Let's break out in song. And then we're like, a cappella vibes. Yeah. Angifuna ukuchola, guys. Will you be wearing a duk? I'm not too sure, but like if I don't know, is the memo to wear a duk? But I know it's gonna be rocking. Like the people that are gonna be there, too much fire. Too much fire. So imagine we rocking. Guys, if you see me dancing, right? And like the dance is not like making sure because it's very hard to follow choreography. Rajan? Don't now. Learn to avoid some comments. How, guys? I'm not answering every comment. And there's not much nasty comments out here. They want you to sing. No. We love you. I love you guys too. I love you guys too. But as for me, yes, you're trying to catch me with that song because I know where I was singing that song. I know the time I was singing that song and I know where the song played and I know the reaction that happened. So don't think you slick. I see you. I see you. I'm joking. I'm just kidding. The frontal was making my hair itch. Like I told you guys, whether it's braids, whether it's a bun, I can only have the only hairstyle that I won't do much hairstyles when my hair's gone long again because I just leave it in a curly bush. Yeah.